Hello, good afternoon. Ian here. So, next episode na naman tayo. No? Yung, itong topic natin medyo malungkot pero ito yung realidad. Ah, yung pinaka-title dito kung bakit ko naisip to is parang ang sinabi ko dito is ang question ko dito o pinakatanong ko dito or title ng vlog is why does no one stay? Alam na ba natin since siguro nung panahon na tayo ay palakaibigan, hindi naman natin alam uh, palakaibigan ka or marami kang kaibigan ako or wala namang nagtatayo sa'yo. Marami ka sigurong kilala sa ngayon, no, natanong ko sa sarili ko bakit wala akong naiwan na kahit isang kaibigan. No? Since siguro may mga pagkakataon na nagkakamali tayo. And admit naman natin siguro. So sa ngayon, detalye po yung mga kung ano ka ba talaga sa sarili mo kung bakit wala kang kaibigan. Para ma-explain natin kung bakit nag-iisa ka. Since walang nag-stay sa'yo o naging kaibigan mo. So, sa pagdating ng panahon na lumalaki tayo, hindi rin natin alam yung future natin at pagkadaanan natin. Since, yun, possible na naging barrier o effect na wala kang kaibigan o iniiwasan ka ng mga kaibigan mo na kilala is yun baga nagkakaroon tayo ng barrier, ibang lugar na sila na stay and parang even though meron namang pagkakataon nagpaparamdam sila pero most of the time na nag-iisa ka talaga. Even though kahit sa trabaho possible magkaroon ka ng kaibigan pero hindi naman sila nagtatagal. So, our lives para ma-explain natin kung bakit tayo nag-iisa. Para ma-understand natin kung bakit tayo nag-iisa sa mundo. Our lives are shapeless talaga. Kumbaga yung buhay natin. Wala talagang shape. Simula nung bata pa tayo. So, ang sinasabi niya dito, yung mga quotes ko dito na research ko, our life are shapeless by single big moments and or by steady accumulation of experience, some dramatic, maybe subtle, that influence how we think, feel, and act. Sinasabi niya dito, no? Dramatic and subtle, influence how we think and feel and act. Kung ano tayo sa ngayon, ganun din tayo nung panahon tayo na may kaibigan tayo. So, bakit napipisil natin to para ma-recall natin, no? Mabait ka naman tao. Hindi ka naman dapat na mag-aiwasan sa panahon ngayon. An experience don't just happen to us. They leave impression and guide future choice, beliefs, and identity. Nandun pa rin yung mga bagay na kung ano yung kung saan ka nag-grow or kumbaga kung saan ka na lumaki, no? Nandun yung mga traits pa rin sa buhay mo, no? It happens to us. Impression, guide, future choice, and beliefs, no? Yung paniniwala mo sa buhay and ang identity mo na rin siya. Yun sa first paragraph. Here are the some most influential type na mga example dito, no? Early childhood environment mo, relationship mo, success and failure mo, challenge and adversity, mga kaaway, and then education and exposure, choice and turning points, and personal reflection. Yan yung mga bagay na nagpa-apekto o nagsisip sa atin kung paano tayo lumaki. And then, kung gusto nyo malaman, nandito lang naman po ito na sa internet. And para ma-highlight ko rin sa inyo kung bakit walang nag-stay sa inyo sa buhay na kaibigan. And siguro na narating ko na rin yung mga points na siyempre kahit saan ka magpunta pwede ka makakita ng kaibigan na tunay. Pero yun nga, sinasabi niya doon, possible na mga kaibigan mo hindi totoo, hindi talaga sila kaibigan. And possible na nangyari lang because of during the time na nagkaroon kayo ng pag-meet up. So, yun. Pero maganda yung magiging last part natin sa tingin ko. Ito pa yung mga ibig sabihin dito, mga examples ng relation sa atin without sinasabi natin na walang kaibigan. Feeling hurt are more people's admit, but the idea of no one staying is usually oversimplification. Your mind is making it feels true, that it was unpacking by why it keeps happening. There are few common partners behind this now. That kind of people you attract or joins na possible photo mo kung sino yung nakaka-attract mo or kung sino yung napili mong kaibigan. Everything is natural, no? Kung saan ka magpunta, imi-meet up ka naman or sasabihin ka naman na kakausapin ka ng kaibigan mo. Gusto ko kausapin o kung may nakita sa'yo na maganda, interesting sa buhay nila. And sometimes we end up connecting with people who aren't ready to commit and who stays for convenience and it keeps repeating less about the worth, more about the pattern and who gets less in. Yan, hindi natin kontrolado. How fast or deep things go. If connection starts very intense na sharing everything quickly, getting attached fast, they can also burn out quickly, and strong beginnings don't always mean last relationship. Sinasabi niya kung mag-iiba tayo ng mga priority sa buhay, hindi tayo magtatagal na magiging magkaibigan. Sorry. Excuse me. Number 3, no? So, boundaries. Sinasabi kong boundaries na nangyayari. No? Possible malayo tayo sa isa't isa. And possible, no, ang hinahanap natin kaibigan is either lalaki o babae, o both. No? Pero, yun yung isa pang challenge na maghanap ka ng partner mo sa buhay. Isa yun na mag-i-stay sa'yo kumbaga. Hindi siya magbibigay sa paraan. May commitment kayo kumbaga. And fear of losing people. Possible fear of losing people when you really want someone to stay. It can sometimes come out everything and needing to reassure trying to hard ironically pressure. Ibig sabihin dito is huwag mo silang pilitin na mag-stay sa sarili mo. Bayano sila and mayroon silang sariling pananaw and plano sa buhay. Fifth, no? Not everyone is meant to stay. tanggapin na lang natin na hindi talaga, no, na everyone meant to stay, no, hanggang habang buhay, nandyan sila para sa iyo. And yun nga, here's the important parts, no, having a stay doesn't not automatically mean there's something wrong with you. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala kang kaibigan, ibig sabihin may something wrong sa iyong sarili. Hindi yun ibig sabihin. But it doesn't mean it worth looking partner instead of blaming yourself entirely and blaming everyone else. Huwag mong silang sisihin kung bakit wala kang kaibigan. Yun nga. Everyone meant, not everyone is meant to stay. If you are open to it and tell maybe, no? Sasabihin natin dito, maraming mga example dito. It feels like simple question that usually isn't. No one stay is often the sweet pattern, not single post. Those pattern comes from both you and the people you've let in. May pattern din pala sa buhay. Here is the most common reasons this happens honestly without sugarcoating. Number one, you might choosing people who don't stay. Yun nga, nabibigyan ng mga taong hindi talaga nag-stay sa'yo. Sometimes people inconsistent, emotionally unavailable, just passing through, and if you keep connecting with that time, it comes with feeling you doing your best. So number one na sa environment pa din, possible kasi na magkaroon ka ng kaibigan dito sa surrounding area mo. Kung ano yung sino yung malapit mo na pwede mo silang kaibigan, yun na rin. Madali mo silang kausapin, easy to approach at bagay. And the connections are strong but isn't built to last. Ibig sabihin, past instant bonds, past intense bonds mo mabilis na mga pangyayari sa buhay. Hindi mo sila mapipigilan na lumayo sila kasi but there's something is keep and slower part of trust and stability growth without foundation and people drifts. No? Yung buhay natin ay nag-drift lang talaga siya. Kung napunta tayo sa isang lugar, possible din tayo makamit ng malapit na kaibigan natin. You were being overgiving. Overgiving and undershowing. Overgiving, always available, always understand that people take it for granted. Undershowing, holding back, guarded, and people don't feel close enough to stay. Either extreme can make relationship unbalanced. Ibig sabihin, yung nararamdaman mo is unbalanced. Kasi possible na undershowing ka kung bawa holding back, guarded. And for fear of losing people can change how you act. Even subtle things and then overthinking message, the assurance trying to hard to keep someone can create pressure. People don't always handle that well, even if it comes from a real place. Some people leave because they are not meant to stay. Sinasabi na rin naman ko. So, yun. Ito, may mga quotes ako dito na research din. Timeless enter. Number one, a real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world walks out. Ibig sabihin, yung totoong kaibigan, yun yung naiiwan or kung wala if yung mga ibang tao ay umaalis, yung mga totoong kaibigan mo nag-i-stay sa'yo. And friendship isn't about who you know the longest. Friendship isn't about who you know the longest, mga pinakakilala mo na matagal, about who walked in and never left. Diba? Yung mga taong hindi nag-iwan sa'yo, totoong kaibigan. And true friends true friends are never apart and maybe in a distance but never in heart. Pwede ganun. True friends never been apart pero sa puso na iwan sila sa'yo. Hindi ka nila nakakalimutan. Honest real, no? Not everyone you lose is lost. Some are lessons in disguise. Dalawa, fake friends believe in rumors, real friends believe in mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. Yan yung totoong kaibigan. Yan yung mga fake friends mo, yan yung naniniwala sa kapatakutan. Yung pangyayari mo yung kaya mo. Lagpasan. Some people comes into you feel some people comes into you like just to teach you how to let go. Yung mga tao pupunta sa'yo kung gusto kang makaibigan and para turuan ka kung paano i-let go or ipabayaan na lang situation. Nakilala mo sila deep and emotion. Ito, mahalaga ito yung deep and emotion. A strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation or constant togetherness. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends never be apart. Ito yung strong friendship daw, yung tibay na pagkakaibigan. Hindi nakakailangan ng araw-araw na pagkakausap or togetherness. Kumbaga, naiwan sa puso mo yung mga totoong kaibigan na hindi na part. Sometimes the people you take a bullet, sometimes the people you take a bullet that are the ones behind the bullet. Ibig sabihin, kung papaputok ko na yung baril mo, pinipigilan nila kasi sila yung totoong kaibigan. Loneliness isn't about having no people around. It's about having the right ones. So yun. Loneliness isn't about having no people around. It's about having the right ones. Wala kang mamimili ka ng kaibigan mo. Mga totoong kaibigan mo yung naiwan sa'yo. Pinili mo yung tamang kaibigan. Nag-stay sila. And growth and perspective. As you grow, you realize it's about having more friends and more about having real ones. Friendship is choosing each other even for the day. It's that easy. Ibig sabihin ang friendship choosing each other even on the day it's not easy. Mahirap na para panahon sa buhay mo. And then the right people stay not because they have to but because they want to gusto nila na maiwan sila sa'yo. So, yung episode natin, na-explain ko naman sa inyo kung paano ako, kasi yung buhay ko ganun yung nararanasan pa na feeling ko ako lang mag-isa, feeling ko bakit wala akong kaibigan. Nasa personality mo rin yun, wala mo naman yung kalaghayan mo dito sa lugar mo. And di kasi ibig sabihin medyo nandito tayo sa lugar na uncertain, no? Hindi natin alam kung anong pag-uugali ng mga tao na kung anong nasa loob nila. Possible baka mapahama ka, gano'n. Yun yung sinasabi ko. And meron naman kaming kaibigan dito sa lugar. Meron naman. Matatanda nga lang, pero yung totoong kaibigan na. Yan. Sana may natutunan tayo dito sa 20 minutes na opening ko. You have no, parang sinabi ko nga dito, no? Why no one stay? Why does no one stay? So, sa buhay ko kasi matagal na akong baga, may mga pagkakataon may kaibigan ako sa trabaho, pero hindi naman sila nagtatagal. Kumbaga, you just know them and let go, parang gano'n. Pero yung totoong kaibigan, kahit saan ka magano, hindi ka nila makakalimutan na din sila para sa'yo. They will help you, parang gano'n. Nakakataba ng puso ng mga ganito. If you help them, they help you. So, yun. Medyo kulang, kaso nga lang, yun nga lang yung episode natin para may post tayo today. Yun lang daw mga konti lang, no? Yung natin na-explain dito na kahit sana po naintindihan natin yung nararamdaman natin since we are why no one stay. So, end ko na to. No? Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay and please like and subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, Facebook, and TikTok. By the way, meron akong ginawang website. Sana po masupport mo ko dito sa gusto kong mangyaring business. No? Just click on it and possible kung gusto niyo pa-check ng computer, tawagan nyo lang. Within Metro Manila lang siya. Pwede naman sa Luzon, kaso kailangan nyo ng pocket money. Mahaba na ang gagawin natin paglalakbay. Sige, end ko na to and thank you very much. Good night and have a great day.